What foods can I eat on a low-residue diet? Are you wondering what foods are suitable for a low-residue diet? If you have a sensitive stomach, like with irritable bowel syndrome or colitis, this diet can help manage your symptoms. A low-residue diet aims to reduce the amount of undigested food passing through your intestines. This can be especially helpful if you experience diarrhea or abdominal discomfort. Let's break down the foods you can enjoy while following this diet. First, let's talk about grains and starches. You can eat white bread, white rice, plain pasta, and refined cereals that do not have added nuts or seeds. It is important to avoid whole grain breads, cereals, brown rice, and granola, as these foods are high in fiber and can increase stool bulk. Next, let's look at fruits. You can enjoy canned or cooked fruits without skins or seeds. Good options include canned peaches, pears, and apricots. Applesauce, ripe bananas, and baked apples without skin are also great choices. However, stay away from raw fruits, berries, dried fruits, prunes, and juices that contain pulp or seeds. When it comes to vegetables, focus on tender, well-cooked options without skins or seeds. Some suitable choices are green beans, wax beans, carrots, asparagus, beets, and peeled white potatoes. Avoid raw vegetables and those that can cause gas or irritation, like broccoli, cauliflower, and corn. Now let's discuss protein sources. You can have tender, lean meats prepared by baking, broiling, boiling, roasting, or stewing. This includes chicken, turkey, beef, lamb, pork, and veal. Eggs are also a good option as long as they are not fried. Smooth peanut butter, tofu, and seafood like tuna and shrimp are acceptable too. Just remember to avoid tough, stringy, or highly seasoned meats. In terms of dairy, low-fat, mild cheeses such as American or cheddar are fine. However, steer clear of cheeses that contain seeds, nuts, or strong flavors. Lastly, there are a few other items to consider. Clear strained fruit juices without pulp are good to drink. You can also enjoy sweets like gelatin, pudding, fruit popsicles, and hard candy in moderation. However, avoid popcorn, pickles, olives, relishes, sauerkraut, and highly seasoned or fried foods. For those managing sensitive stomach conditions, it's helpful to choose cooked and peeled fruits and vegetables. Eating small, frequent meals can prevent overwhelming your digestive system. Staying hydrated with clear fluids and strained juices is also important. Always be mindful of any personal food triggers, even if they are allowed on the diet. This low-residue diet can help minimize stool volume and frequency, which is beneficial for managing diarrhea and abdominal pain associated with irritable bowel syndrome and colitis. However, it is generally recommended for short-term use or during flare-ups, as it limits fiber intake, which is important for overall gut health when symptoms are under control.